I can't stop do it anymore. I did and it all ended the same day. In a blender, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of sour cream, 2 bars of white chocolate of 160 grams each, 1 cup of milk powder, 600 ml of milk, cover and let it beat everything very well. After heating, set aside next to it. Here, I am using 200 grams of dark chocolate, and with the chocolate already melted, pass everything to a bag of confectioner with the help of a glass. Cut the back of the bag and then add in the baglets. Take this little bag and stretch to spread this chocolate to where we are going to tie it. With the help of a funnel, place in the opening and add the blender mixture. After placing the mixture, just tie. And take to the freeze until hardened. And look how wonderful it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Pooh in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.